Kunal, coming first to you for your high risk as well as your low risk bet.
So good morning, currently I would suggest a couple of buy calls, specifically, orienting myself towards the mid cap theme. A lot of the mid cap stocks are doing pretty. So first one is Japan Rail Industries. The stock, I discussed the stock I think last week as well on the BNS show. My earlier targets were 135 for the stock. The stock has done exceptionally well from 115 to now 130 plus, almost a 17% jump into the stock price. From the last time. And I believe even at current levels of 130 plus, I think Rail Industries looks good for yet another 15% on the upside. So the stock is in high momentum. We've seen historically that how the stock has performed on the long term basis as well. So Rail Industries is the first buy. The stock is at 130 odd. The targets to be kept at 145, and stop loss could be kept at 130, 125. The second is a buy on Raymond. Now this is typically a very low beta kind of a stock, so which is why I would categorize this as a low risk trade. The stock breaking above its 200 moving average. We've seen a very strong momentum breakout as well on the stock prices. The last 3 to 4 days, we've seen Raymond, getting back into the thick of momentum. So prices have moved up higher. The volumes are also inching up higher. Today also you're seeing some positive price action for Raymond as well. So that remains to be the second buy. I would place a target of almost 366, 370 range on Raymond. Would suggest a buy with stop loss to be kept at 328.
Okay, well, Vijay is also with us. Hi, Vijay. Good morning. What are your wealth creation bets from a fundamental standpoint?
Quite a run up in some of the sectors, and they might take a pause. But I suppose that as we are approaching the end of December, and we might see some kind of a selling from FIIs because they have to, justify their NAVs and whatever investments have come into India. So they would probably try to close their books, and we might see some kind of a profit booking. But again, few sectors really look up. One is pharmaceutical sector. I think Sun Pharma, which is trading at about 586, 585 right now, is looks ripe for 600 plus, and if it crosses 600, then 650 is quite imminent. So it's a low risk idea, and pharmaceutical anyway. Whenever there is confusion or there is some kind of a correction in the markets, we see the money moving into the safer sectors, and pharma is one of them. Another company which I like is Bata, which is an average risk stock, and the stock has consolidated nicely at lower levels. So presently trading at about 1575, and it can go up to 1650. So this is a medium term target for Bata. Another a bit of a high risk idea is National Aluminium. We've seen a steep rise in the stock, although valuation wise it is still very, very convincing, although it's a Government of India company. But I think that metal stocks are kind of overheated as of now, and we might see some kind of a profit booking. Again, I'm fairly bullish in the metal space and would be so in the next few years. But yes, looking at the market conditions and where the market stands today, seemingly they have topped out as of now. And we might see some correction, but again, this can inch up to 50 rupees. So National Aluminium also looks good.